GKids Learning. In this video, you will learn about birds. What is meant by birds? It is a group of animals. They are warm-blooded vertebrates. They lay eggs. All birds have two legs, wings, and a beak. Body is covered with feathers. Now I am going to show you some birds. This is a hen. H for hen. This is a rooster, or for rooster we call it as cock. It has a comb on top of their head. This is a duck. D for duck. It is a good swimmer. This is a swan. S for swan. It symbolizes for beauty. This is a parrot. P for parrot. It is an intelligent bird. It imitates human voice. This is a crow. C for crow. This is a sparrow. S for sparrow. It symbolizes for joy and protection. This is a pigeon. P for pigeon. It symbolizes for love and peace. This is a peacock. P for peacock. It is a beautiful bird. It has eye-spotted tail feathers. This is an ostrich. O for ostrich. It is a flightless bird. This is an owl. O for owl. This is an eagle. E for eagle. It has a long hooked beaks. It has a powerful eyesight. This is a penguin. P for penguin. It is a semi-aquatic bird. This is a kingfisher. K for kingfisher. It has an excellent eyesight. This is a turkey. T for turkey. This is a woodpecker. W for woodpecker. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like the video, please like the video and share the video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Keep on watching. Thank you all.